This is the result. Flawless, crystal clear, unmistakably luxury. But before the luxury puck, this, raw earth, industrial sand, the origin no one sees. Millions of tons of silica sand, soda ash, and limestone, the invisible foundation of every glass bottle ever made. Every batch is a precise formula, the exact ratio of minerals that will determine the clarity, strength, and purity of the final glass.
Inside, at over 1500 degrees Celsius, those raw minerals are about to cease to exist, and something entirely new will take their place.
Inside the furnace, those raw minerals have vanished. In their place, Opulence, pure molten glass. Liquid, alive. The molten glass must be held at a precise temperature. Every degree matters. Too hot, too cold, and the final bottle will fail. Each cut is exact. Each gob, a precisely measured portion of molten glass that will become a single luxury bottle. Inside the mold, compressed air forces the molten glass outward kb, and in less than 3 seconds, a bottle is born.
For the first time, the shape of a bottle, still glowing, still hundreds of degrees, but unmistakably, a beginning.
The annealing layer, a controlled cooling tunnel where temperature drops by precise degrees, relieving the internal stress locked inside every bottle. Over hundreds of meters, the temperature falls in carefully controlled steps. Too fast and the glass shatters. And then clarity. For the first time, the bottle reveals itself. Transparent. Every bottle is interrogated by machine vision, searching for bubbles, cracks, dimensional errors. Only perfect glass moves forward. An invisible layer, a surface treatment that protects every bottle from the moment it leaves this line to the moment it reaches a luxury shelf. The raw production ends here. What begins now is something different, the transformation from industrial glass into a luxury object. A controlled chemical reaction, and the surface of the glass transforms, from transparent clarity to a velvety matte finish that defines luxury cosmetic packaging. Layer by layer, a premium metallic finish is built mooned, transforming the frosted surface into something that belongs on a luxury shelf.
A single press, a fraction of a second, and the identity of a luxury brand is transferred. Permanent, precise, unmistakable.
A single press, a fraction of a second, and the identity of a luxury brand is transferred. Permanent, precise, unmistakable. Color by color, layer by layer few, the decorative identity of the bottle is built with a precision measured in fractions of a millimeter. Every component is precision engineered. The collar seats with a single controlled motion cleans, and the bottle takes on another dimension of luxury. The pump is the final functional element, precision engineered, torque tested, seated with exactness. The bottle is nearly complete. Every bottle that leaves this room has passed through human hands and human judgment. Only flawless products reach the next stage. The final stage begins not with machinery, but with hands. White glove, deliberate, precise. Because luxury is also about how something is presented.
Seated into its box like a jewel in a case coffin, the bottle disappears from the factory floor and enters the world of luxury retail.
The lid closes. The seal is applied. What began as raw sand is now sealed in from a single bottle to hundreds treat. Each one identical, each one perfect, each one destined for a luxury shelf somewhere in the world. Thousands of bottles. Each one identical to the last. Each one carrying within it the from a warehouse shelf Tate to a luxury retail display. The journey is invisible to the customer, but the result speaks for itself. Every surface tells a story. The texture of the glass, the precision of the mark. Engineered to dispense with a single touch, the mechanism is as considered as every other element of this object. And this, the same material, the same earth, separated by fire, precision, and human intention. From one end to the other, this is the full distance between raw earth and luxury object, a journey measured not in meters, but in transformation. Behind every automated system, every precision machine, hands, trained, experienced, irreplaceable.
From this to this, every step deliberate, every stage essential, nothing wasted, nothing accidental.
This is the result of fire, precision, chemistry, and craft. The same Earth, an unrecognizable distance between them. This is what industry, precision, and human craft can do. This is transformation.
From sand again to this, the process ends.